Hey folks, Middleman here. It's the end of March. We're all done with the bait until probably May. So now we bag up wood. I had this wood loader made by Ronnie Sunnyveld there a couple years ago. And it works great. I'll show you how it works. Sometimes I put this down if it's like elm or something like that that's really gnarly and stuff like that. The bag will catch on it, but it generally doesn't catch on smooth wood, so I don't really need to put it down. So just put this over top of here. It's just like putting a sock on. The reason why I had this loader is if you try and load it by hand, everything catches. Every time you put one piece in, it catches and goes sideways. And then it doesn't end up being nice and neat in there. And you can't get the same amount. So this just makes it all go right down the chute. There we go. Bag of wood. Ready for the fire. There we are, folks. 11 bags. Take this up on the 6-wheeler, throw in the truck, then I'll take her up and put her on some skids and let them dry there for a bit till summer, and then they'll be for sale. I've still got probably another 10 bags, another 11 bags here to bag up this afternoon. Did that all in about 2 hours.